This is a help video for your power lesson assignment. Question number 2. You and a friend move a grand piano across the living room, exerting 25 newtons of force and performing 175 joules of work. It takes you 14 seconds. How far did you move the piano? This first part of the question is asking you how far you moved the piano. You need an equation that has distance in it. The power equation does not have distance in it. So you need to use a different equation. The work equation has distance in it. So we can use the work equation to solve for distance. To solve for distance, we need to isolate. We need to rearrange the equation so distance is on one side by itself. We can do that if we divide the right side by force. And we divide the left side by force. That will allow us to cancel out force on the right. And then we are left with distance equals work divided by force. Now I can plug in the information I know and solve for distance. It said I did 175 joules of work. It takes energy to do work. Joules is a unit of energy. And it says I exerted 25 newtons of force. Newton's force. So what is my distance? Joules, 1 joule equals 1 Newton meter. So this is going to put distance in meters. Well, 175 divided by 25 is what? That's 7 meters. So you moved the piano 7 meters. That's your distance. Then it asks, how much power did you generate in watts? And remember, 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. So our time has to be in seconds for this to work. Your given work is 175 joules, and your given time is 14 seconds. So we can use the two values as is and calculate power in watts. So our power is in watts. Work 175 joules. And 14 seconds. That's going to give us power in watts. 175 divided by 14 is what? What do you get? Pause the video. Pause the video. What did you get? And what's the unit of your answer? What's the unit of your answer? Did you get 12.5? 12.5 what? 12.5 watts. 12.5 watts of power.